avocado fries with a crunchy panko coating. So I am just going to pit my avocado, twist, and then turn, and it comes right out. I'm going to cut my avocado into quarters, peel them, and it's gonna keep my flesh nice and intact. And avocados is basically a blank slate too. It doesn't really have a really strong flavor, so whatever you season it in or add it to, it just enhances it just a little bit. I'm gonna coat these in flour, panko, and ranch seasoning. So I'm gonna crack 2 eggs and put them into this bowl. That's gonna keep that panko on the avocados. I'm gonna use a 1/2 cup of flour in this tray. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of ranch powder. You can add your favorite seasonings, but I love the ranch flavor on these fries. So I'm gonna add panko to this tray, a little salt, a little pepper, mix that up. All right, so let me show you how to do this. You get your avocado, roll it around in flour and your ranch, roll it around in your egg, dip it into the panko, and make sure it's coated. There you have it, super simple. All right, so my oven is preheated to 425. I'm gonna bake these for about 16 to 18 minutes or until they get crispy. I'm gonna spray it with some cooking spray before I put it in the oven. That's gonna help get that panko crispy, and it's also gonna help get that nice and crunchy. While those bake, I'm gonna make the dipping sauce for my avocado fries. I gotta have something to dip my fries in. So this dip is gonna go really well with the ranch seasoning that's on the avocados. I'm gonna use a little mayo, this entire carton of sour cream. I'm gonna zest this entire lime. This lime zest and lime juice is gonna really freshen up this dip. A little lime juice, a little garlic powder, salt, and a little black pepper. And a few leaves of cilantro that I am going to roughly chop. And if cilantro isn't your thing, you can always leave it out. Give it a mix. My avocado fries are done. And look how crispy and golden brown they got. They look crunchy. It'd be really cool to try it, right? It just came out of the oven, but this dipping sauce will cool it down. It's crunchy, and then this sauce. Oh my gosh. It not only cools it down temperature-wise, but the flavor of it, it just complements the avocado so well. It doesn't overpower it. You wanna taste the avocado, and this dipping sauce does that.